Are you looking for a fun and exciting coding project that you can create with Python? Look no further than ChatGPT's guide to building your very own QR code generator. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a QR code generator using Python. With our step-by-step instructions and guidance, you'll be able to create a functional and customizable QR code generator in no time. We'll start by explaining what QR codes are and why they're useful. Then, we'll dive into the Python code that will generate the QR codes. We'll cover the libraries you'll need to use, and we'll explain how each part of the code works. But that's not all, we'll also show you how to customize your QR codes. You can change the size, color, and even add a logo to your QR code to make it stand out. Creating a QR code generator with Python is a fun and challenging project that will help you hone your coding skills. And the best part? Once you're done, you'll have a functional tool that you can use for a variety of purposes, from creating marketing materials to sharing information with friends and family. So what are you waiting for? Watch this video and learn how to create your very own QR code generator using Python with ChatGPT. In this video, we'll show you how to create a QR code generator using Python with the help of ChatGPT. Our step-by-step instructions and guidance will make it easy for you to follow along, even if you're a beginner. By the end of the video, you'll have a fully functional QR code generator that you can use for a variety of purposes. And the best part is, you'll have created it yourself. You'll be able to customize your QR codes with your own colors, logos, and other features, making them stand out and capture people's attention. So what are you waiting for? Learn with ChatGPT and create your very own QR code generator using Python today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest videos and tutorials.